While using Google Slides to make a presentation, an attractive voiceover and background music will better showcase your ideas and make your audiences more engaged. However, Google Slides doesn't have a built-in voice recorder to get your personalized audio. So how to record audio and insert it into your Google Slides? Just keep watching. First of all, you will need a handy audio recorder. VideoSolo Screen Recorder is such a top-notch, powerful, and one-click audio recorder. It allows you to record both external and internal sounds, reduce noise, and enhance the mic. The output quality is excellent. And it supports multiple output formats, such as MP3, WAV that are definitely supported by Slides. First, turn on VideoSolo Screen Recorder, then choose Audio Recorder. By the way, Task Schedule automates the recording tasks even though you are not present. Here, enable the system sound and the microphone option. The volume can be adjusted via the slide bar. By clicking the drop-down arrow, noise reduction, mic enhancement, and sound check can be done. Now let's go to Output setting. Remember to select the location of your output file, choose the output format as MP3 or WAV, and set up the audio quality. Change the hotkeys to quickly start, stop the recording, and so on if you need. After settings up, click on the Rec button to start recording. Once you press stop, you can preview and trim it. Then press done and the list will be shown on recording history. Click on Advanced Trimmer on the right side if further editing is required. Then click Open Folder to find your audio on your computer. Now, drag and drop the audio onto your Google Drive. A small tip: remember to share your audio so the receiver can play it. Open your Google Slides, choose one slide and click Insert, scroll down for audio. Find your file, then select it. A small speaker icon will be displayed. It means that your audio is added successfully. That's all. Give a big thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.